In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings and tap on About Phone section at the top. Now all you need to do is click on device name and type in whatever you want to, like Sunny. When you finished, click on this check mark at the top right corner to save your changes. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my POCO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!